Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to download and install Bramble on PC or laptop. So to download and install Bramble on PC, you have to first of all install Steam, and through Steam you could go ahead and install Bramble. So for that case, go ahead and open up a browser. You can use any web browser, whichever is convenient for you. And on the web address bar, go ahead and type in a link that is steampower.com. It's going to take you to the official page, and while you're on this page, go to install Steam. So first thing, you have to go ahead and install Steam on your device, and just go ahead and press on install Steam for Windows, which is located right at the bottom, and it's gonna open up the exe file or download the exe file. Then you could go ahead and double tap on it or locate the file, and then you could go ahead and set up your installation. When you're done installing Steam, then you need to go ahead and create your account, and as soon as you're done creating your account, go to stores, and on the search box you have to go ahead and type in the name of the game that you're looking for. Since we are going with Bramble, go ahead and type in that. As you locate the Bramble, then you have to go ahead and press on it, go through the instructions and all of these information, all that. And if you're sure about it, go ahead and click on Add to Cart. It's going to take you to the cart section page where you have to go ahead and select the payment method and all that. And once you've done that, you'll have successfully bought the game. And you could go ahead and download and install and create your account and explore game. So that's how you can go ahead and install and play Bramble on PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.